Okay, time for a therapy letter where we help people out with problems in their life. Let's do this one. Dear Tony, I've been with my girl for 2 years. She's the jealous type. I mean, if I say Kim Kardashian is fine, she gets mad. If I say Tammy's got a nice smile, she gets mad. If I say hi to a female friend at the mall, I get attitude. Now, it was cool at first because it showed that she was really into me, but now it's a pain. We're coming out to movies last weekend, getting ready to hit the parking lot. We're holding hands. I see a coworker, I say, hey. She introduces us to her guy, and it's all good. My girl created a scene, accusing us of winking at each other. I was embarrassed, and my girl says I shouldn't acknowledge any females when I'm in a relationship. What should I do? Other than this, she's a great lady. Man, she's a nut. she is a felonious, a jealousy type person. She is no. Dude, this ain't gonna work. It's only gonna get worse. You thought that was cute, and you thought it was kind of cool because it showed she was into you when she would do all this jealousy stuff? Really? How old are you? Come on, man. In the grown-up world, people don't act that way. If she's that insecure, let her go. Fulfill her dreams of being insecure because you know what? This ain't never gonna be any better, man. I'm just keeping it real with you. You're wasting your time with her because she's never, ever gonna stop being that way. It's a wrap. That's my advice. What do you think? 556-6104 is the number.